Hey Westchester, I'm Dr. Christine Farrell,
And I'm Dr. James Henderson.
and we are right here in the borough at Westchester Orthodontics. For over 12 years, we've been helping kids, teens, and adults fall in love with their smiles. Whether it's braces or Invisalign, we make treatment easy, fun, and stress-free for both kids and adults. What makes us different? Top providers of Invisalign in the area, where experience counts the most. The latest technology, so you get the best results. Flexible payment options to fit your budget, and a complimentary consultation with a smile simulation, so you'll know your new smile before treatment even begins. We're conveniently located at 501 Hannum Avenue. Yes, with plenty of parking and backed by over 500 Google reviews from local families just like yours. Ready to give your family or yourself the gift of confidence? Book your complimentary consultation today at wcbraces.com. Appointments fill up fast. We can't wait to meet you.